The way that you prove negligence in products liability is, first of all, you have to prove that there was a defect in the product and that the defect led directly to an injury. That's the basic premise. And the way that we do that is through expert opinions, manufacturing records, if it's a medical product, looking at Health Canada's files, and also getting testimony of those individuals who are directly related to the development and production or manufacturing of that product, as well as the testimony and evidence of our clients who have been injured as a result of the product.
We have the resources to be able to properly investigate these claims and litigate them. If you feel like you've been injured by a defective product, it's worth calling us and see if we can help.